Product composition. Let's explain the composition of our lithium battery multi-channel tester. Here are the test lines and equipment power lines corresponding to 8 channels. This is the battery for testing. Device wiring. The bulk of the device leads to 8-channel test interfaces. Channel 1 to 8. The pin-shaped socket here connects the equipment power supply line. The DB15 here is the remote control interface, which can be connected to the host computer. We connect the power line. Parameter setting. Close the switch. Power on the device. And enter the main interface to see 8 icons. The corresponding functions are automatic test, manual test, parallel test, data export, system settings, and equipment calibration. About the product. The system restarts. We click on the product, and we can see the parameters and factory code of the device here. Click on the system settings and enter the password 13982. Enter the system setting interface. Here there is a Chinese and English interface switch. Select English. And there is also the automatic stop condition setting of the device, which users can set according to their needs. This is the alarm switch, the alarm sound switch of the device. This is the remote control switch of the device, and the communication address setting of the device, the baud rate setting, and the time setting at the bottom. Now let's explain the automatic test. Click the automatic test icon to enter the automatic test template. Here we can set our test number, license plate number, battery type, line sequence definition, test mode, voltage high limit, test voltage, test capacity setting, test time setting, channel number setting, test current setting, alarm enable switch, data recording interval. Set the template according to user needs and click OK. Now connect our test harness and test clamp to the battery. We only connected one battery here. So we need to set the number of channels. Click the channel number setting and set it to 1. You can see that the status bar only displays one channel information. Click Start Test. Click OK. If you see the current display, it means that the device has started to work normally. At this time, if you want to return to the main interface, you must click Stop to return. Click Stop and click Return. The following demonstrates the manual test function. There are battery type, line sequence definition, alarm enable, voltage high limit, charging voltage, discharge voltage, number of channels, charging current, and discharge current. These parameters can be set according to user needs. You can see several buttons below to quickly set the working mode of the channel. If we want to change the control mode of a single channel, we can click the control bar of the corresponding channel to switch between charging and discharging. Click the voltage bar of the corresponding channel. Set the charging and discharging voltage of each channel separately. Click the current bar to set the current separately. After setting, click Start. After the current is displayed, the device starts to work normally. If you want to stop, click Stop. The following is a demonstration of the parallel test. You can see the test capacity, test time, number of parallel channels, charge and discharge voltage settings, charge and discharge current settings, and working mode settings. The number of channels to 2. We connect the test line and connect it in parallel with the test line of the first channel. Set the current to 40 amps. And the test mode to discharge mode. Click Start. You can see that our current has reached 4 OA. The maximum current of the parallel test is equal to the number of channels asterisk 30. If you want to stop, click the Stop button and the device will stop working. PC software use. Unzip the zip. Double-click the icon to run the software. Select English. Enter 13982. Select Multi-Cell Control. Select the corresponding COM port. Set the channel to 8. Click the button to connect device. Select charging or discharging mode. Set voltage. Set current. Set power. Start. Each channel can be controlled individually.